Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service
First
in New
tornado warning.
Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Harrison County in southern Mississippi, northwestern Jackson County in southern
Oh,
Mississippi
shoot, my
until
county.
1 a.m. Central
Harrison.
Standard Time. At 12:29 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Biloxi, moving northeast at 80 miles
Oh my
per
god, my
hour.
heart is beating
Hazard,
hard.
tornado.
Shit.
Source,
Oh,
radar
this
indicated
video.
rotation.
Sorry, guys.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Sorry,
Tree
Lord.
damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Latimer around 12:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Mississippi
gosh.
between mile markers 36 and 49. Interstate 110 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 4. Take cover now. Move to a
I'm getting
basement
my
or an
closet
interior
right now.
room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
This video right now. In my
Avoid
closet.
windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a
Oh my,
vehicle,
it's so in my
move to the
closet.
closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at
Oh
night.
my gosh.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Harrison and Jackson.